back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I have a healthcare non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. I know a lot of you are looking for healthcare data entry non-phone work. This one, the pay range goes very high too. We will not waste any time. We will jump right on in. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company Change Healthcare, they are an insurance company. They are hiring a data entry operator 3. Now this is a full-time, and it says work location is fully remote within the United States only. But they are looking for someone to be responsible for data entry of material from source documents to computer-connected terminal. You'll verify the data and perform clerical tasks in the data processing functions. So you'll examine, revise, approve, and dispatch any input and output materials according to established policies and procedures. They're looking for someone to work on assignments that are moderately complex in nature where judgment is required. So you're going to have to use those critical thinking skills. Someone to do the keying of data entry charges and chargebacks. You'll have to reconcile the charge batches with the facility batches, and of course you may have to lead weekly meetings with their offshore team. Now it does not require any kind of college degree, and no healthcare experience is needed either. You need a high school diploma or GED. They're looking for someone who has 2 years of some kind of data processing experience, a working knowledge of data entry, and of course, great communication skills. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, the base pay for this position is anywhere from $13.46 an hour, and it goes all the way up to $29.88 an hour. Now, they do have it in their budget to pay up to the $29.88 an hour, so if you get an interview and get an offer, make sure you are negotiating that salary. And they do offer the standard benefit package, including health insurance, paid time off, and 401k. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave down in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.